So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a long time in a vlog, you know, dog. So right now we are here, and you have nice over there.
Peoples.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Tell them what's going
How
on.
y'all been? Yeah, we just been here surviving, you feel me?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Don't think we got nowhere. Cause
We're there here.
cause
We're there here.
you know, we got some stuff.
Yeah.
Some stuff.
Some stuff.
But I hope everybody good, everybody great. That is it. Yeah.
Meliko. How is this called? Construction.
Vest.
Construction.
Protective gear.
How is this protected from?
Remember say for
Oh,
night
for
time,
people see it.
reflector, you know.
Bone record night.
People blind still dogs.
This, when you see me have on this, right now me actually work. I'm work a crazy job, a crazy job. Sometimes we only have Sundays off, sometimes we have Saturdays off. We are going to do a vlog today. Does that make sense? Just show them with DSC and everything.
You're gonna get this vlog, right? And this vlog, so just make sure you know, say, yo, we're there and there's a lot of things
Yeah.
in store,
In store.
in the future,
In store.
near future.
Yes.
Is that what I said?
Me I try to go on a little tour.
Let me clean up the side first.
I try to go on a little tour. My, them, the best of them. This is my bed over here. Me a nice share room. That is nice bed over there. We booked the room here yesterday. Forward in last night, so we have everything. Food still over there, so see my food bag them there. We are about to dispose them. We are about to go downstairs, go look breakfast. You ready?
Never misses dope.
Hello mate, I spun a hard Monday. Now your place when the cause I win the chase. Get straight to the pace from a day into the race. Tell him none of them are safe. Left I tell you now your face. I'm done in the line.
So ladies and gentlemen, right now we are about to go get breakfast. Biggs and I back outside, Biggs over here, so you know what I mean? Nice fine one.
They got bacon.
You see?
They got bacon.
So nice fine bacon, so we're both gonna shell the bacon right now. And then bacon they plump up so. Wow. Bacon. What kind of bacon that? Why you did be hands? What? Who for seed? You know we have to add in a little salt and pepper. Yo, me can't afford. We can. Nice. How you get juice so quick? Yo, let me go for it. Oh, fresh bagel come there. Me no bother want this poppy seed. I want the regular one. Me no bother want this. This full of black ones. No seed in my bagel. None. I know what this is sweet, your friend. Apple juice is bad. Nice.
Hey, what they gonna do?
Nice.
Arrest
Do
me for
ya
ice?
do ya do nice. Go on, galang. When you see you come back, we know how.
Spear down badness.
Go on, skeng. Dun.
Dun 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 dun. Fanada plus clansman, bad man's king down one dance paint on man. And if you feel like seminar do action, we check good man, so we get a wrong bang. My style them a kick like Van Damme, Birmingham, London, England, Brampton. Listen up them off no.
Want a gangster here, yo. Gangster here, my yo. The man a go look for the same color, me a look blue. The man a look figure pick blue now. So when he done for him on, he can grab up for me and then him a go say, oh yo, you see through the blue me have? Eh? Me a use one. 6 of them, but guava cheese.
Only we make away the vixen from the seal the girl fall. Pasha come out snot. Tell her bring a friend and don't left out Buddha. How you do that? Do that.
Me know here car soon coming. Watch I know. Why? Oh people, flaggy. Oh yeah, safe. We do one already, I wake up now. Feel active. Yo, a 1 hour drive from the hotel to reach us, so I sleep for probably whole entire hour. Flag, you're supposed
Signal
to
him,
flag.
man. Signal the man. Signal the man. Signal the man.
We
Man,
now
me a
signal
record.
man.
Signal the
Come,
man.
go to shit. Not now coming.
Yo.
Good.
Lie, yo.
Nice.
Yeah. They can't laugh forward. Oh. Go and go.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey.
All this, where you do for me? Huh? Where you find yourself here? How you find yourself here? One bug me there, one bug find me dog. What's it, my cool shade, I look fine now. What's that you want, shade? Shade you want, though. We ain't gone so quick. Run gone up in a gully. Dope, I look for coyote. Can't find him. Can't find him, yo. He hide me. No, me adventurous, you know. I love nature. Yo, I'll bear and name some dope at them place, you know. Feel like a boy there's somewhere about here. Wait till me spot him. Yeah, we are trying to catch the nice skate off island and he hurry up and run off. Look one little hill.
What you had 2 buckets in my what am I supposed to do? Drop on my face?
You don't drop on your face.
Eh? A beautiful face, I must sit up.
Look
Think the
on
company
set.
gonna pay for my face?
Yo, yeah, work man, you put in work. You see pull away over there, so? That way I try to get to right now. We don't know why not them grass, yeah. Bear, deer, skunk, something with rabies, but something in the grass, yeah. And we need to get to the pole over there, so. Something wrong. You wrong, kid, me no last. Me last now. Yo, them places look like some animal did a sleep in them. When you see what them just look here, so. This look like one bear did a sleep here, so. See alright, I saw something walk. No, this one see. This one see. Oh yeah. What is there, so? Why everywhere here is so tall and right, so stay so? What did I see about this, so? Yo, breeze out here blow sweet. The breeze out here blow sweet. I ain't gonna lie. Wow. What else? Something go home. Me something go home. I don't trust it at all. Why me keep on a walk a ground same way before me turn back? Black people no do them something are famous. You black, look at your complexion, go back. Watch it. Watch him run down.
Oh, grab one, forget naked out or so.
Hey, no bother with it, no bother with it, no bother with it. No don't forget naked out there. No bother with it, please.
Why you want to do that?
Please.
Bro, it's hot.
Okay, we're all hot, they are dead right now.
Out here, burn up, man.
That's what I know, why? I'm the girl. Yeah, hey, listen. Girls, you know, No door make no man make you feel no way. It's hot. Come out in the door, put on the clothes.
What
You're too hot.
It's a show off their skin.
you mean? Everything.
Too hot, man. Wear no one. Make sure you set on the cool. Stay cool. Wear make on the cool.
Show off on the thing and broke neck.
Broke neck. It's a summer here name show off on the thing and broke neck. See it there? Sponsored by Biggs. Sponsored by Biggs. Man say boy beer.
Last week they seen a big bear walking to just walk across the street.
Left to right.
Like we and them a play tax. They just walk across.
Right now we're there. Lunchtime. We in a Burger King. Boy nice above the other. So what we in here do, full up them and then full up water back up.
What's that? What's that?
Biggs watch, Biggs back up. We're about to full up one more done. You might watch me now? But me not care people.
What me shake that, man?
Go you dirty, go there.
It's a chicken sandwich.
Go you dirty. Try it. So ladies and gentlemen, right now we just finished work. Me dirty. Me just want beard right now. Nice over there. How a big sea I look for over there? Yeah, every time the man here bush are saying go on there. Big's not just nothing out here. Nice him do for him evening stretch. So we reach back here, tell him now. Dirty like. Some man dirty man, you gonna be here first, me? Yeah, go for it. Go first.
Go shower first, man.
No man, I go shower first for you because I want to soak for run. I got 15 minutes.
Shower first, sister.
Yeah man, I go be here right now. Now wait. None at all. Me now wait. Where they? Smell like some good food? Some what? We are going to gym. David, we forward inside. Right now we order some food. What we are going to do now? I pick it up and go back in. Yeah, people around this one. You're in there cold, in there freezing. Just pick up the food. Nice have a lemonade them over. And a lemonade. Damn, we should have get lemonade. What them the big old that Sprite. Full Sprite. Nice one go KFC. You can't go KFC a foreign my youth. You have to load you up, you know. The man want to go KFC a foreign people. KFC a foreign, you know. Out of everywhere this a brother I want to go. This a brother I choose figure KFC a foreign. You don't know say food there. Mango habanero. Both in the vlog right there, so. And link on the back. So. And link on the back.